See if this old road's still dirt. Yep. Last week I ended up taking a wrong turn going to the natural spring after I left Fort Mims. So did some maintenance on the bike today and change oil. I waited till 5,000 miles to change oil this time, and I ain't sending the oil off to get it analyzed or anything, but it still looked good. So from now on I'm just going to change it at 5,000 miles. Lube the chain, check the coolant, and I flushed the brake fluid front and rear. Basically what I did was opened up the reservoirs, took a syringe and got the fluid down to just a little bit before it was gonna suck air, and led the fluid, topped it off with fresh fluid, and then started bleeding it out where I'd have all fresh fluid front and rear. And brakes felt good before, they feel just as good or a little better now. And brake fluid attracts moisture apparently, so I'll probably only flush it. I'll probably flush it again at 10,000 miles. I mean 20,000 miles. I don't know how often you're supposed to do it, but I just figure it was spikes 5 years old, and I probably had the original fluid in it, brake fluid, so why not? Check the tire pressure. Oh, it's rough there. Little washboard. And we'll head up to the natural spring today. Another good excuse to ride on a Sunday afternoon. And I hadn't been down this road in a while. This is the old hunting camp road. So I figured out, I think yesterday I was thinking about, I hadn't hunted since I think 2011. Looks like through here. This is just dirt. Some areas are gravel and some of it's sandy. This is about as close as I get to off-roading on this bike, or any other bike down for that matter. Got to figure out how to add some music to the videos, mostly when I add the pictures. I haven't figured out how to, got to add music to the computer to add to the video, but I got to figure out how to do that, and I think if I could find some that you didn't have to worry about using, you know, as far as copyright or trademark or whatever it is, and I wouldn't have any issue doing it. I just need to find out where I can download the music or whatever. If you know, make a comment, help me out. I can't remember the editing app I use. I think it's Video Editor Pro or something like that. I don't think it's what everybody else uses, but it's what I somewhat know how to use somewhat anyhow.